Have you ever wondered how healthcare works in Germany? Why does everyone need health insurance here? What is the difference between public and private insurance? And what should you do in an emergency? In this video, we'll explain the German healthcare system step by step in a simple and practical way. You'll learn about insurance types, doctor appointments, emergency numbers, benefits, challenges, and useful tips for daily life in Germany. So if you are living in Germany, planning to move here, or simply curious about the system, this video is for you. Let's get started. Why is the German healthcare system important? Healthcare is one of the most important parts of life in Germany. Health insurance is mandatory, and almost every official process depends on it. Whether you are a student, an employee, self-employed, or moving with your family, understanding the healthcare system makes daily life much easier. At first, the system may seem confusing, especially for newcomers, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much more manageable. Health insurance is mandatory. In Germany, every resident must have health insurance. This is not optional. Without insurance, many important things become difficult, such as getting a residence permit, signing work contracts, or enrolling at a university. The system is designed to make sure everyone has access to medical care. That's why health insurance is considered a basic necessity in Germany. Two types of health insurance. Germany mainly has two healthcare systems: public insurance and private insurance. Public insurance, called GKV, is used by most people. Private insurance, called PKV, is available for certain groups like freelancers or high-income employees. Both systems provide medical coverage, but they work differently in terms of cost, flexibility, and services. Choosing the right system depends on your personal situation. Public health insurance basics. Public health insurance is the standard option for most people living in Germany. Popular providers include TK, AOK, Barmer, and DAK. The cost depends on your income, and your employer usually pays about half of the contribution. One major advantage is family insurance. Children and non-working spouses can often be included at no additional cost. For many people, public insurance offers stable and reliable protection. What public insurance covers? Public insurance covers a wide range of medical services. This includes doctor visits, hospital treatment, emergency care, dental treatment, medications, pregnancy care, and mental health support. Preventive health care is also important in Germany. Vaccinations and regular checkups are encouraged. Overall, the system provides strong protection with predictable costs. Private health insurance. Private insurance offers more flexibility and sometimes faster service. It is usually available for self-employed people, freelancers, civil servants, or employees with higher incomes. Some advantages include shorter waiting times, private hospital rooms, and more individualized coverage. However, there are also important disadvantages. Costs may increase with age, and family members are not automatically included. That's why choosing private insurance should always be a long-term decision. Switching health insurance. In Germany, it is sometimes possible to switch your health insurance provider. People often compare providers to find better service, lower additional costs, or extra benefits. However, switching is not always simple. There are deadlines, rules, and notice periods. Especially in private insurance, switching back to public insurance can be difficult in some situations. so it's important to compare carefully before making changes. Additional services and benefits. Many insurance providers offer services beyond basic healthcare. Public insurance companies may provide preventive programs, fitness courses, vaccinations, or maternity support. Private insurance plans often include shorter waiting times, international coverage, or additional comfort in hospitals. The available benefits can vary a lot between providers. That's why comparing plans carefully is very important. Key takeaways. Let's summarize the most important points. In Germany, health insurance is mandatory. Public insurance is the standard option. Private insurance offers more flexibility. And emergency numbers are very important. Understanding the healthcare system helps you make better decisions and avoid unnecessary stress. The more informed you are, the easier life in Germany becomes. Useful resources. If you need more information, there are many official resources available. Government websites, insurance companies, and patient service centers can help answer your questions. The number 116117 is especially useful for non-emergency medical help. You can also compare providers online and contact customer support directly. Never hesitate to ask questions. Understanding your insurance is important. Emergency situations. In emergencies, Germany has two important numbers. Call 112 for life-threatening emergencies such as serious accidents, breathing problems, strokes, or severe pain. For non-emergency medical help, call 116117. This service helps when doctor offices are closed, you need medical advice, or you are unsure where to go. Knowing these numbers can save valuable time in stressful situations. Challenges of the system. Even though the German healthcare system is very strong, it also has some challenges. Specialist appointments may take a long time. Paperwork and rules can sometimes feel complicated. Private insurance can become expensive over time, and services may differ between regions. But with good planning and reliable information, most people can navigate the system successfully. Being informed is the key. Final summary. So, what have we learned? Germany's healthcare system provides strong medical protection and access to high-quality care. Public insurance works well for most people, while private insurance offers additional flexibility for some groups. The most important thing is understanding your options and making informed decisions for your health and future. Good information leads to better choices. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you better understand the German healthcare system and made the topic feel less confusing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the video with others who may need this information. And let me know in the comments, what surprised you the most about healthcare in Germany? Take care, stay informed, and see you in the next video.